back leg in a little bit. We're prepping for our triangle pose. Shift the weight forward. Hand can come to the shin, the floor, or your block, wherever you're practicing today. Chest turns to the side. Deep breaths. Left hand comes to the hip. You can take your block with you or bring your hand down to the ground for a half moon pose. So the hips are open. You're stacking your left hip on top. Soft bend in your right knee as you land the left foot and come into a star position. From here, we'll turn the heels in and bend your knees for goddess pose, and we can bend our arms here at a 90-degree angle as well. Good. So as you stretch your inner thighs here, you'll probably feel your quads start to fire up, and I want you to also engage the outer hip muscles to widen the knees. Another breath. And we'll inhale up, turn towards the back of the mat, and we'll switch sides. So our warrior two position now, left knee points to the back, right hip is working to open up. Deep breaths. We'll straighten the front leg, heel toe your back foot in, widen out the arms, and lean forward. So the hinge here is coming through the hips, not the waist, so side body stays nice and long. Feel free to grab your prop and turn the chest here. Legs nice and strong, so use your quad muscles. You'll feel your kneecap lift up a little bit as you do that, as you engage. And we'll come into our standing balancing pose, half moon. Bend the front leg, launch off the back foot. Use the outer hip muscles as glute medius to strongly lift your leg. And then if you find your balance again, we're turning the chest. This is a hip opener as well as standing balancing. So we want to keep the chest open, hips open. And we'll land into our star position. From here, bring your hands to your hips, get a nice long spine, hinge at the hips for a wide leg forward fold. Release tension in the neck, so the upper traps, just let them release here, jaws released. Another breath. And we'll inhale with a flat back, come all the way back up. Turn those heels in again. Bend your knees. One more goddess position here. Feel the crown of the head lift, core nice and stable. And we'll playfully come back to our chair pose at the front of the mat. Send those hips down, sternum lifts up. Bring your hands to prayer and heel toe your feet a little bit wider. The heels will be in. Now you've got your block right there if you were coming into yogi squat, if you want to use it to sit down. And bring your backs of the arms to the inside of the knees here or legs, and just use that to press both into each other. And as you do that, feel the spine elongate here. And then resisting that lift of the crown of the head, the hips are going down. And that's giving almost a sensation of decompressing your spine here. Bring your hands down, lift the hips up just a bit. We'll take a big step of the left foot back. Heel toe your right foot out to the left. Drop the back knee. We're coming into lizard lunge. So I like to take my time here a little bit as we go lower to the ground. We want to hold the stretches a little bit longer. You can, of course, use your block here underneath your forearms or bring your forearms all the way down. And similar in that yogi squat, I want that sensation of a long spine here. Good, deep breaths. Just be in this pose. Give yourself a few moments as you inhale and exhale to release and let the tension go.
My heart quietly says yes. If you come close, slowly everything opens up, yes. This heart beats only with your name.
Inhale, walk the hands up, and we'll heel toe the right foot over to the left, setting up for a pigeon prep. If this bothers your knee or hips, you can do this on your back by taking a figure four. So again, you can be on your forearms, you can stretch your arms all the way out, you can make a little pillow with your hands here. You want to keep the hip points facing the mat, so resist dumping onto the right hip, and the outer left hip wraps down. Take a deep inhale in through your nose. Exhale, sigh out through your mouth. Let it go.
Fragrance is spread on the ground like a rose. After bathing close. Your magic has worked, my heart is agitated. Clean up my thoughts. A series of small
Couple more
moments
breaths.
has been formed if you come close.
Noticing where you might be holding on to and inviting release of tension there.
Everything opens up, yes, yes, yes. This heart beats only with your name. The heart
Inhale,
beats
we'll lift
only
up.
with your name.
Allow yourself to come onto your right hip for a moment, and we'll take a 90-90 with our legs. This is called deer position. You'll sweep your right hand behind you, right fingertips pointing behind you, and just lift the hips up. So you're coming up onto your shin bones and just getting a nice stretch of the front body, even the side body. You can lean to the side a little bit. And exhale, set the hips down. Plant your hands, curl your toes, and we'll press it back to our downward facing dog. And then we'll switch sides. The left leg will come forward. We'll drop the back knee. Just ease into this deep hip stretch. I like to rock my hips a little side to side before making my way down. Remember, it's a lot of resetting our mind to let our body know it's okay, it's safe to stretch.
If you come close, my heart quietly says
So the longer
yes.
and smoother
If
you
come
can get those
close,
breaths,
slowly everything
the
opens
more
up,
it will
yes.
send signals to your
This
body
heart
to
beats
relax,
only
and
with
then
your
the
name.
muscles will start to relax.
The heartbeats are only with your name. These breaths are connected with your name. These
Release your
confusions
jaw.
are with your name. Your
Release any
intoxication
thoughts.
is taken over. My heart has slipped
Inhale,
away.
we'll lift up
Queen of
and
my
heel toe
thoughts.
your left foot over to the left.
Queen of my
Hips are
thoughts.
facing forward,
Your shadows are all
and then we
around.
can come
Queen
down
of my
and
thoughts.
fold here in our pigeon.
By bathing in the nectar
And just
of
surrender
flowers.
here. I'm always
Your
surprised
stolen
by how much,
fragrance is
I
spread
think I'm
on
not
the
tense, and then I
ground
feel
like
my
a
muscles
rose.
relax, and I'm like, oh wow, okay.
After
So
bathing in
just
the
invite that
clouds.
in. Just surrender.
Magic has worked, my heart is agitated. Queen of my thoughts. A series of small moments has been formed if you come close.
It's okay for the mind to be active. The mind's going to do its thing. So you're just watching the thoughts and letting them go.
Opens up, yes, yes.
The practice is in not clinging or attaching to them.
Inhale,
Inhale, we'll lift up. Take that deer position, so 90-90 with the legs. Left hand comes behind you. And just inhale, lift the hips. Just feel a nice, good stretch there through the front and side body. And exhale, release the hips down. Sweep your back leg forward. Sit up nice and tall here. Crown of the head reaches up. You can bring your hands in prayer or just place them on your lap and just take a moment of gratitude for giving yourself this time. It doesn't need to take long to stimulate your body, get refreshed. It will help you be more focused, better mood throughout your day. Take an inhale in, and exhale, we can bow in. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to revisit it again and again so that you can see more lasting benefits. Let me know in the comments how you liked it, and I'll see you in the next